In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Booksy Biz Web and update a staff member's name on their calendar. Let's dive in step by step to ensure you can easily make these changes and keep your calendar organized and up to date. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Booksy Biz. Sign in with your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, look to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll notice a menu with several options. Here, you'll want to click on Staff. This section allows you to manage all the people who work with you and make necessary adjustments to their profiles. After entering the staff section, you'll see a list of names corresponding to the individuals in your organization. What makes Booksy Biz particularly useful is that each staff member has their own unique calendar. This feature ensures that appointments, schedules, and client interactions are well maintained and streamlined. Scroll through this list and select the staff member whose calendar name you need to change. By clicking on their profile, you'll open up their personal details and settings. Within the staff profile, concentrate on the field labeled Name. This is where you're able to customize how this staff member appears to clients while browsing through your service calendar. So, in this text box, go ahead and enter the new name you want displayed. For instance, instead of simply having Jane, you might want to have it read as Jane Hairstylist. This not only personalizes the staff member's profile, but also provides clients with valuable information at a glance. Once you've entered the desired name and confirmed it's accurate, a crucial next step is to remember to save your changes. Scroll down within the profile page and look for the Save button. Clicking this ensures that all your modifications are locked in and ready to be reflected across the Booksy system. The final step is probably the most satisfying part, checking your work. Navigate back to the calendar section using the left-hand menu. As you return to the staff calendars, you should now see the updated name prominently displayed on that staff member's calendar tab. This verification step is essential to ensure that everything looks exactly as you intended and that clients will see the accurate new name when booking or checking appointments. And there you have it. You've successfully logged into Booksy Biz, modified a staff profile name, and checked your changes all on your own. It's a simple yet powerful way to keep your team's schedule both clear and personalized. Thank you for tuning in, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other content for more tips and tricks on using Booksy Biz effectively.